Welcome, cloud lovers. I hope you all are fine. So, today we will be going to talk about how to schedule AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner exam, that is also called as CLF-C01, and what it is all about. So, first of all, before we proceed, who should go for it? So, if you are from a non IT background, and you wish to switch your career to cloud, definitely this certification is for you. Second is, why do we need this certification? We can also learn about AWS fundamentals, but why do we need it? Because if you are from a non IT background or if you are a fresher, then definitely you have to validate your knowledge, and that will be the best certificate to show that you have the foundational knowledge of AWS. So, it validates the foundational knowledge of AWS cloud and terminology. What should be the expectation for after this certification or from this certification? So, it will help you to get the entry level cloud jobs, and it will let you earn additional certifications. So, after the certification, you can also go for solution architect or different certification which AWS offers, but this is the basic one. Most important, what is the exam price? So, exam price is 100 US dollars plus taxes. Exam format. So, this exam will be of 90 minutes, that will be of 1 hour and 30 minutes, and it constitutes of 65 questions. These questions can be either multiple choice or multiple response. Let's go ahead and see how it works. So first of all, we will go to aws.amazon.com, and here we can see different options available. So we will go to customer enablement tab. Here we have to click on AWS training. Here on this page, you can see different options available: training and certification, get trained, get certified, develop your team, and many more. You have to check the options available under get certified. It says certification overview, browse certification exam, schedule an exam, prepare for the exam, and buy exam voucher. So we will go with browse certification exam first. Here on this page, if you will scroll it down, you can see exam availability and pricing. And here you can see AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner Foundational Course exam. So you can go ahead and click on learn more. You will be forwarded to a new page, that is AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner exam page, wherein you can schedule the exam. Here you can learn about the exam overview, things which we have already talked about. So this says prepare for the exam. Then definitely you should check these 4 steps. In this first step, you can see get to know about the exam and exam style questions, review the CLF-C01 exam guide. If you will click here, you can see a new window that will pop up, and here you can see each and everything about this exam: introduction, what all subjects is there, what all topics will be there, how much percent of specific topics will be covered or will be there in the exam. So you should definitely go here and read it thoroughly before you schedule for exam or go for this exam. I hope you got the initial understanding how to check and how to prepare for this exam. You can also click here on step 2 AWS Cloud Practitioner Essentials and Certified Cloud Practitioner Essential exam preparation thing. That will simply forward you to the AWS skill builder page, wherein you can get the digital training. Step 4 AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner. If you will click here, if you will go to this link, it will ask you to pay $29 per month to get this part of subscription wherein they will help you with mock exams, mock questions, and that is also good. You can also go with it. So that is it. Let's go ahead and schedule the exam. So in order to schedule the exam, as you are here on this tab, you should click on schedule an exam. So you will reach this page, and here on this page I am getting an option of go to your account, but you will see sign in option here, and you will click on sign in, and you have to then sign in with your amazon.com account, and then it will ask you to fill your details, and then it will move you or forward you to this page. Okay, so here you can see three options: register for an exam, request exam accommodation, manage Pearson VUE exams. So if you'll click here on register for an exam, it will take you to the further steps wherein you are registering for it and paying for it. If you click on request for accommodation, so AWS or Amazon also help people who are coming from out of stations wherein the centers is not available in their city for accommodation. So I will be going with register for an exam. That is the basic thing. If I'll click here, it will take me to a page wherein it will showcase me the exam registration, helpful tips, and the exam, which exam I want to go with. So definitely I am going with foundational one. You can also search with exam code. You can also mention here CLF-C01 or the name of the exam, the option available in front of AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner. So let me click here. As soon as I click here, it will log into my account, and here on the right hand side you can see the candidate ID. So let me cross it. Okay, so we are here on this page which says select exam options. There are three options available here: in person, at test center. Let's click on it. It says prepare for your test center exam. Your photo ID is necessary whenever you are going to the test center. You need to carry this. Then what to expect: familiarize yourself with the testing experience so you feel confident on test day. You can also check the short video available here, and what personal item you can carry there in the exam center. You can get the complete list of the things which you can carry with you. For example, somebody is on medications, definitely they can carry their medication. So you can click on this list and check the things which you can carry in the exam center. Okay, second thing is on VUE, that is online. So if you are going with online on VUE option, then definitely you need a computer. You can also click here run system test to check if it is compatible or not. Second is your testing space. So you need, the room should be distraction free and private place. See the acceptable spaces and view permitted comfort aid list. So you have to click here and you can see what spaces are acceptable. Your photo ID, definitely you need it, and what to expect. So the third option is I have a private access code. So we are not going with this, we are going with in person at a test center. So we will choose here and we will click on next. So we are on the next page. It says select exam language. As I told you earlier, this exam is available in different languages. So I'm going with English. Click on next. So this is the page where it showcase terms and conditions. So you should go ahead and read it thoroughly. Reschedule policy. It is one of the important point which you should check. So in case if you want to reschedule your exam, then definitely you have to inform them, or you have to go online and reschedule it 24 hours prior. Cancellation policy is also mentioned here. It also is as per the date. You should cancel it 24 hours prior to your appointment. And there's some additional information available regarding the accommodation. You can simply go ahead and read it and click on agree. So we are on this page where it says mention your address. So I'm from Jaipur. Let me mention Jaipur here. Click on search. So this option showcase all the test center available in your city. So I am from Jaipur. Let's see how many test center is here. You can see there are total 5, and whatever is near to me, for example, I am good with this second one, or this third one will be okay for me. So as soon as I am clicking here on the map, or here it is auto selecting, so I will be going with green energy of organization near 200 feet bypass. Okay, click on next. So we are on find an appointment page. It says select a date. So we have already selected the test center. Now we have to select a date. For example, we will go with July 5th. Now the second option is to select the appointment start time. I am going with 12-hour format, and here it says 9:30 to 11:10. Okay, I can also click here explore more times and check if it's available on different times. Okay. So you can go with any of this slot here. I am okay with normal regular time, that is 11. So that is it. Click on book this appointment. Here let's check and review the information. It is plus taxes, so 100 plus 18, that is 118 US dollars. So as soon as I click on proceed to checkout, it will move me to the new page, that is enter payment and billing information. If I have any voucher or promo code, definitely I can mention here. Then it is asking me to select a payment type. I can go with any of these: JCB, American Express, Discover, MasterCard or Visa. I'm going with MasterCard. Billing information, so your name, your first name will be mentioned here, and the last name. Here your location, that is India, is mentioned. Address, make sure your address as per the make sure your address mentioned here and the address which is mentioned on your government ID card should match. So address XYZ, XYZ, XYZ city, state, zip code, mobile number and your email. Please review each and everything because it is very important. As soon as you will click on next, it will show you these details. Will click on agree and proceed. As soon as you click on agree and proceed, here we have been moved to a new screen, that is for the payment information. As soon as I will put the card information and click on pay, it will take the amount and it will schedule this exam for me. So that is it for today guys. Thank you so much for watching our videos. Keep watching our content on Cloud in minutes. Bye bye, take care.